Welcome to the business alignment audit, where in just 5 diagnostic questions, you'll get a picture of what is out of alignment in your business, and you'll be able to identify what is either preventing you from growing at the rate that you would like to, or if you are growing, why does it feel unsustainable or draining? From there, I'll guide you to a specific part of your human design and gene keys chart that will help you course correct. You'll answer just one specific question in 5 areas of business. Be sure to answer all 5 questions to get a really clear picture of what is going on. Let's dive right in to question number 1. Question 1 pertains to your business mission and purpose. Some people might think of this as the why behind what you do. And here's the question. Do you feel deeply connected to your work to the point where you can't not do it? Yes or no? If your answer is no, it might look like second guessing your direction, considering other options, feeling disconnected from your work or the results that you're getting for your clients. Question 2 pertains to your offer. Do you feel 100% confident in your offer and genuinely enjoy delivering it? If your answer is no, you might find yourself dreading your client work, constantly creating new offers, or having a really hard time showing up to market and sell it. Question 3 is about your marketing. And the question is simple. Does your marketing feel like a true expression of you? If the answer is no, your content likely feels draining, you procrastinate on posting or showing up, and your engagement is inconsistent. Question 4 is about your personal brand. Are you attracting ideal clients that stick around and eventually buy? If your answer is no, you're likely attracting the wrong people. Your content or marketing efforts aren't converting, and you've hit a plateau despite your efforts. And question number 5 is about sustainable growth. If you kept running your business exactly as you are right now, would you still love it 3, 5, 10 years from now? If the answer is no, you might feel trapped by your own success. Things in your business might feel really complicated, and you feel tired, like you're heading toward burnout. Now that you have your 5 answers, the next step is to download the free resource in the description below. It's called Your Authentic Marketing Archetype. And although the title speaks to marketing, it's much deeper than that. This is going to help you realign your business based on your gene keys culture sphere, which is your unconscious Jupiter gate. This is a make it or break it point on your chart. It basically tells you what holds you back from creating financial prosperity in your business in a simple way, in a way that is going to support your values, well-being, and lifestyle for the rest of your life. If you don't have access to this information, you are literally cutting yourself off from aligned success. It's like having a kink in a hose. This is that place where if you just go and unravel it a little bit, the flow starts coming so much more easily. So grab that resource, dive in, and I'd love for you to come back and comment. Let me know if this was helpful.